about right. So I figured I'd head to the beach. I haven't been down here since I've been back, and see what the beach is like. The anna tree is starting to bloom out. I haven't been here in a few weeks, so I didn't really know what to expect. We're now in the slow season, so I forgot to tell you about what happened at the Apple store, and it wasn't all the greatest of things. It seems that Apple, being the mega large corporation that it is, wouldn't take my word for it that I didn't spill anything in the computer. So I ended up having to pay $1,400 to have it repaired, which is still cheaper than what a new one would have cost, but I still wasn't exactly thrilled. But it's still cheaper. There's no arguing with them. We get back here, and I'm hoping it's not a new trend, but it decided it was going to shut off. Well, water's warmed up a lot in the last few weeks. I think it's probably, I'm gonna guess at least 85. Oh, by the way, this is Sunday, June 14th. It's about 84, 85 degrees out. And you won't be able to see them in this picture, but I think I can count 10 people on the whole beach. I just thought of something. I wonder if it's this deserted on South Beach in Miami today on a Sunday. So you know there's 700 islands in the Bahamas? Yeah, most of them aren't inhabited, but I was just thinking when I'm walking, that'd make a great series, going island to island, spending some time at each one, learning the different customs, because each island has its own uniqueness to it. And that might be a good project. Hey, if anybody wants to fund that, just let me know. I'd love to do it. Well, it looks like they're making progress. Let's do it a little bit. Nice little stone wall. I assume this is the going to be the parking space. Just met some people from